Surah, number 18, of Quran Majid. The Cave.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the All-Beneficent, the All-Merciful.
الحمد لله الذي أنزل على عبده الكتاب ولم يجعل له عوجا.
All praise belongs to Allah, who has sent down the book to his servant and did not let any crookedness be in it.
قيما لينذر بأسا شديدا من لدنه ويبشر المؤمنين الذين يعملون الصالحات أن لهم أجرا حسنا.
A book, upright, to warn of a severe punishment from him, and to give good news to the faithful who do righteous deeds, that there shall be for them a good reward.
ماكثين فيه أبدا.
To abide in it forever.
وينذر الذين قالوا اتخذ الله ولدا.
And to warn those who say, Allah has taken a son.
ما لهم به من علم ولا لآبائهم كبرت كلمة تخرج من أفواههم إن يقولون إلا كذبا.
They do not have any knowledge of that, nor did their fathers. Monstrous is the utterance that comes out of their mouths, and they say nothing but a lie.
فلعلك باخع نفسك على آثارهم إن لم يؤمنوا بهذا الحديث أسفا.
You are liable to imperil your life out of grief for their sake, if they should not believe this discourse.
إنا جعلنا ما على الأرض زينة لها لنبلوهم أيهم أحسن عملا.
Indeed, we have made whatever is on the earth an adornment for it, that we may test them, to see which of them is best in conduct.
وَإِنَّا لَجَاعِلُونَ مَا عَلَيْهَا صَعِيدًا جُرُزًا.
And indeed we will turn whatever is on it into a barren plain.
أَمْ حَسِبْتَ أَنَّ أَصْحَابَ الْكَهْفِ وَالرَّقِيمِ كَانُوا مِنْ آيَاتِنَا عَجَبًا.
Do you suppose that the companions of the cave and the inscription were among our wonderful signs?
إِذْ أَوَى الْفِتْيَةُ إِلَى الْكَهْفِ فَقَالُوا رَبَّنَا آتِنَا مِن لَّدُنكَ رَحْمَةً وَهَيِّئْ لَنَا مِنْ أَمْرِنَا رَشَدًا.
When the youths took refuge in the cave, they said, Our Lord, grant us a mercy from yourself, and help us on to rectitude in our affair.
فضربنا على آذانهم في الكهف سنين عددا.
So we put them to sleep in the cave for several years.
ثم بعثناهم لنعلم أي الحزبين أحصى لما لبثوا أمدا.
Then we aroused them that we might know which of the two groups better reckoned the period they had stayed.
نحن نقص عليك نبأهم بالحق إنهم فتية آمنوا بربهم وزدناهم هدى.
We relate to you their account in truth. They were indeed youths who had faith in their Lord, and we had enhanced them in guidance.
وربطنا على قلوبهم إذ قاموا فقالوا ربنا رب السماوات والأرض لن ندعو من دونه إلها لقد قلنا إذا شططا.
and fortified their hearts, when they stood up and said, Our Lord is the Lord of the heavens and the earth. We will never invoke any god besides him, for then we shall certainly have said an atrocious lie.
هؤلاء قوم اتخذوا من دونه آلهة لولا يأتون عليهم بسلطان بين فمن أظلم ممن افترى على الله كذبا.
These, our people, have taken gods besides him. Why do they not bring any clear authority touching them? So who is a greater wrongdoer than he who fabricates a lie against Allah?
وَإِذِ اعْتَزَلْتُمُوهُمْ وَمَا يَعْبُدُونَ إِلَّا اللَّهَ فَأْوُوا إِلَى الْكَهْفِ ينشر لكم ربكم من رحمته ويهيئ لكم من أمركم مرفقا.
When you have dissociated yourselves from them and from what they worship except Allah, then take refuge in the cave. Your Lord will unfold His mercy for you, and He will help you on to ease in your affair.
وترى الشمس إذا طلعت تزاور عن كهفهم ذات اليمين وإذا غربت تقرضهم ذات الشمال وهم في فجوة منه ذلك من آيات الله من يهد الله فهو المهتد ومن يضلل فلن تجد له وليا مرشدا.
You may see the sun, when it rises, slanting toward the right of their cave, and, when it sets, cut across them towards the left, and they are in a cavern within it. That is one of Allah's signs. Whomever Allah guides is rightly guided, and whomever He leads astray, you will never find for him any guardian or guide.
وتحسبهم أيقاظا وهم رقود ونقلبهم ذات اليمين وذات الشمال وكلبهم باسط ذراعيه بالوصيد لو اطلعت عليهم لوليت منهم فرارا ولملئت منهم رعبا.
You will suppose them to be awake, although they are asleep. We turn them to the right and to the left, and their dog lies, stretching its forelegs at the threshold. If you come upon them, you will surely turn to flee from them, and you will surely be filled with the terror of them.
وكذلك بعثناهم ليتساءلوا بينهم قال قائل منهم كم لبثتم قالوا لبثنا يوما أو بعض يوم قالوا ربكم أعلم بما لبثتم فابعثوا أحدكم بورقكم هذه إلى المدينة فلينظر أيها أزكى طعاما فليأتكم برزق منه وليتلطف ولا يشعرن بكم أحدا.
So it was that we aroused them from sleep, so that they might question one another. One of them said, How long have you stayed here? They said, We have stayed a day, or part of a day. They said, Your Lord knows best how long you have stayed. Send one of you to the city with this money. Let him observe which of them has the purest food, and bring you provisions from there. Let him be attentive, and let him not make anyone aware of you.
إنهم إن يظهروا عليكم يرجموكم أو يعيدوكم في ملتهم ولن تفلحوا إذا أبدا.
Indeed, should they prevail over you, they will either stone you to death, or force you back into their creed, and then you will never be saved.
وكذلك أعثرنا عليهم ليعلموا أن وعد الله حق وأن الساعة لا ريب فيها إذ يتنازعون بينهم أمرهم فقالوا بنوا عليهم بنيانا ربهم أعلم بهم قال الذين غلبوا على أمرهم لنتخذن عليهم مسجدا.
So it was that we let them come upon them, that they might know that Allah's promise is true, and that there is no doubt in the hour. As they disputed among themselves about their matter, they said, build a building over them. Their Lord knows them best. Those who had the say in their matter said, we will set up a place of worship over them.
سيقولون ثلاثة رابعهم كلبهم ويقولون خمسة سادسهم كلبهم رجما بالغيب ويقولون سبعة وثامنهم كلبهم قل ربي أعلم بعدتهم ما يعلمهم إلا قليل فلا تمار فيهم إلا مراء ظاهرا ولا تستفت فيهم منهم أحدا.
They will say, they are 3, their dog is the 4th of them, and say, they are 5, their dog is the 6th of them, taking a shot at the invisible. They will say, they are 7, their dog is the 8th of them. Say, my Lord knows best their number, and none knows them except a few. So do not dispute concerning them, except for a seeming dispute, and do not question about the many of them.
ولا تقولن لشيء إني فاعل ذلك غدا.
Do not say about anything, I will indeed do it tomorrow.
إلا أن يشاء الله واذكر ربك إذا نسيت وقل عسى أن يهديني ربي لأقرب من هذا رشدا.
Without adding, God willing. And when you forget, remember your Lord, and say, maybe my Lord will guide me to something more akin to rectitude than this.
ولبثوا في كهفهم 300 سنين وازدادوا 9.
They remained in the cave for 300 years, and added 9 more to that number.
قل الله أعلم بما لبثوا له غيب السماوات والأرض أبصر به وأسمع ما لهم من دونه من ولي ولا يشرك في حكمه أحدا.
Say, Allah knows best how long they remained. To him belongs the unseen of the heavens and the earth. How well does he see? How well does he hear? They have no guardian besides him, and none shares with him in his judgment.
وَاتْلُ مَا أُوحِيَ إِلَيْكَ مِنْ كِتَابِ رَبِّكَ لَا مُبَدِّلَ لِكَلِمَاتِهِ وَلَنْ تَجِدَ مِنْ دُونِهِ مُلْتَحَدًا.
Recite what has been revealed to you from the book of your Lord. Nothing can change his words, and you will never find any refuge besides him.
واصبر نفسك مع الذين يدعون ربهم بالغداة والعشي يريدون وجهه ولا تعد عيناك عنهم تريد زينة الحياة الدنيا ولا تطع من أغفلنا قلبه عن ذكرنا واتبع هواه وكان أمره فرطا.
Content yourself with the company of those who supplicate their Lord morning and evening, desiring his face, and do not lose sight of them, desiring the glitter of the life of this world. And do not obey him whose heart we have made oblivious to our remembrance, and who follows his own desires, and whose conduct is mere profligacy.
وَقُلِ الْحَقُّ مِنْ رَبِّكُمْ فَمَنْ شَاءَ فَلْيُؤْمِنْ وَمَنْ شَاءَ فَلْيَكْفُرْ إِنَّا أَعْتَدْنَا لِلظَّالِمِينَ نَارًا أَحَاطَ بِهِمْ سُرَادِقُهَا وَإِنْ يَسْتَغِيثُوا يُغَاثُوا بِمَاءٍ كَالْمُهْلِ يَشْوِي الْوُجُوهَ بِئْسَ الشَّرَابُ وَسَاءَتْ مُرْتَفَقًا.
And say, this is the truth from your Lord. Let anyone who wishes believe it, and let anyone who wishes disbelieve it. Indeed, we have prepared for the wrongdoers a fire whose curtains will surround them, on all sides. If they cry out for help, they will be helped with a water like molten copper, which will scald their faces. What an evil drink, and how an arresting place.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات إنا لا نضيع أجر من أحسن عملا.
As for those who have faith and do righteous deeds, indeed we do not waste the reward of those who are good in deeds.
أولئك لهم جنات عدن تجري من تحتهم الأنهار يحلون فيها من أساور من ذهب ويلبسون ثيابا خضرا من سندس واستبرق متكئين فيها على الأرائك نعم الثواب وحسنت مرتفقا.
For such there will be the gardens of Eden with streams running in them. They will be adorned therein with bracelets of gold and wear green garments of silk and brocade, reclining therein on couches. How excellent a reward, and how good a resting place.
واضرب لهم مثل الرجلين جعلنا لأحدهما جنتين من أعناب وحففناهما بنخل وجعلنا بينهما زرعا.
Draw for them the parable of two men for each of whom we had made two gardens of vines, and we had surrounded them with date palms, and placed crops between them.
كلتا الجنتين آتت أكلها ولم تظلم منه شيئا وفجرنا خلالهما نهرا.
Both gardens yielded their produce without stinting anything of it, and we had set a stream gushing through them.
وكان له ثمر فقال لصاحبه وهو يحاوره أنا أكثر منك مالا وأعز نفرا.
He had abundant fruits, so he said to his companion, as he conversed with him, I have more wealth than you, and am stronger with respect to numbers.
ودخل جنته وهو ظالم لنفسه قال ما أظن تبيد هذه أبدا.
He entered his garden while he wronged himself. He said, I do not think that this will ever perish.
وما أظن الساعة قائمة ولئن رددت إلى ربي لأجدن خيرا منها منقلبا.
And I do not think that the hour will ever set in. And even if I am returned to my Lord, I will surely find a resort better than this.
قال له صاحبه وهو يحاوره أكفرت بالذي خلقك من تراب ثم من نطفة ثم سواك رجلا.
His companions said to him, as he conversed with him, Do you disbelieve in him who created you from dust, then from a drop of seminal fluid, then fashioned you as a man?
لكن هو الله ربي ولا أشرك بربي أحدا.
But I say, He is Allah, my Lord, and I do not ascribe any partner to my Lord.
ولولا إذ دخلت جنتك قلت ما شاء الله لا قوة إلا بالله إن ترني أنا أقل منك مالا وولدا.
Why did you not say, when you entered your garden, this is, as Allah has willed? There is no power except by Allah. If you see that I have lesser wealth than you and children.
فعسى ربي أن يؤتيني خيرا من جنتك ويرسل عليها حسبانا من السماء فتصبح صعيدا زلقا.
Maybe my Lord will give me something better than your garden, and he will unleash upon it bolts from the sky, so that it becomes a bare plain.
أو يصبح ماؤها غورا فلن تستطيع له طلبا.
Or its water will sink down, so that you will never be able to obtain it.
وأحيط بثمره فأصبح يقلب كفيه على ما أنفق فيها وهي خاوية على عروشها ويقول يا ليتني لم أشرك بربي أحدا.
And ruin closed in on his produce, and he began to wring his hands for what he had spent on it, as it lay fallen on its trellises. He was saying, I wish I had not ascribed any partner to my Lord.
ولم تكن له فئة ينصرونه من دون الله وما كان منتصرا.
He had no party to help him, besides Allah, nor could he help himself.
هنالك الولاية لله الحق هو خير ثوابا وخير عقبا.
There, all authority belongs to Allah, the real. He is best in rewarding, and best in requiting.
واضرب لهم مثل الحياة الدنيا كماء أنزلناه من السماء فاختلط به نبات الأرض فأصبح هشيما تذروه الرياح وكان الله على كل شيء مقتدرا.
Draw for them the parable of the life of this world. It is like the water we send down from the sky. Then the earth's vegetation mingles with it. Then it becomes chaff, scattered by the wind. And Allah has power over all things.
المال والبنون زينة الحياة الدنيا والباقيات الصالحات خير عند ربك ثوابا وخير أملا.
Wealth and children are an adornment of the life of the world, but lasting righteous deeds are better with your Lord in reward and better in hope.
ويوم نسير الجبال وترى الأرض بارزة وحشرناهم فلم نغادر منهم أحدا.
The day we shall set the mountains moving and you will see the earth in full view, we shall muster them, and we will not leave out any one of them.
وعرضوا على ربك صفا لقد جئتمونا كما خلقناكم أول مرة بل زعمتم أن لن نجعل لكم موعدا.
They will be presented before your Lord in ranks. Certainly you have come to us just as we created you the first time. But you maintained that we shall not appoint a tryst for you.
ووضع الكتاب فترى المجرمين مشفقين مما فيه ويقولون يا ويلتنا ما لهذا الكتاب لا يغادر صغيرة ولا كبيرة إلا أحصاها ووجدوا ما عملوا حاضرا ولا يظلم ربك أحدا.
The book will be set up. Then you will see the guilty apprehensive of what is in it. They will say, woe to us! What a book is this? It omits nothing, big or small, without enumerating it. They will find present whatever they had done, and your Lord does not wrong anyone.
وَإِذْ قُلْنَا لِلْمَلَائِكَةِ اسْجُدُوا لِآدَمَ فَسَجَدُوا إِلَّا إبليس كان من الجن ففسق عن أمر ربه أفتتخذونه وذريته أولياء من دوني وهم لكم عدو بئس للظالمين بدلا.
When we said to the angels, prostrate before Adam, they prostrated, but not Iblis. He was one of the jinn, so he transgressed against his Lord's command. Will you then take him and his offspring for guardians in my stead, though they are your enemies? How evil a substitute for the wrongdoers.
ما أشهدتهم خلق السماوات والأرض ولا خلق أنفسهم وما كنت متخذ المضلين عضدا.
I did not make them witness to the creation of the heavens and the earth, nor to their own creation, nor do I take those who mislead others as assistants.
ويوم يقول نادوا شركائي الذين زعمتم فدعوهم فلم يستجيبوا لهم وجعلنا بينهم موبقا.
The day he will say, to the polytheist, call those whom you maintain to be my partners, they will call them, but they will not respond to them, for we shall set an abyss between them.
وَرَأَى الْمُجْرِمُونَ النَّارَ فَظَنُّوا أَنَّهُمْ مُوَاقِعُوهَا وَلَمْ يَجِدُوا عَنْهَا مَصْرِفًا.
The guilty will sight the fire and know that they are about to fall in it, for they will find no way to escape it.
ولقد صرفنا في هذا القرآن للناس من كل مثل وكان الإنسان أكثر شيء جدلا.
We have certainly interspersed this Quran with every kind of parable for the people. But man is the most disputatious of creatures.
وما منع الناس أن يؤمنوا إذ جاءهم الهدى ويستغفروا ربهم إلا أن تأتيهم سنة الأولين أو يأتيهم العذاب قبلا.
Nothing has kept these people from believing and pleading to their Lord for forgiveness when guidance came to them, except their demand that the precedent of the ancients come to pass for them, or that the punishment come to them, face to face.
وما نرسل المرسلين إلا مبشرين ومنذرين ويجادل الذين كفروا بالباطل ليدحضوا به الحق واتخذوا آياتي وما أنذروا هزوا.
We do not send the apostles except as bearers of good news and as warners, but those who are faithless dispute fallaciously to refute thereby the truth, having taken my signs and what they are warned of in derision.
ومن أظلم ممن ذكر بآيات ربه فأعرض عنها ونسي ما قدمت يداه إنا جعلنا على قلوبهم أكنة أن يفقهوه وفي آذانهم وقرا وإن تدعهم إلى الهدى فلن يهتدوا إذا أبدا.
Who is a greater wrongdoer than he who is reminded of the signs of his Lord, whereat he disregards them and forgets what his hands have sent ahead? Indeed, we have cast veils on their hearts lest they should understand it, and a deafness into their ears. And if you invite them to guidance, they will never let themselves be guided.
وَرَبُّكَ الْغَفُورُ ذُو الرَّحْمَةِ لَوْ يُؤَاخِذُهُم بما كسبوا لعجل لهم العذاب بل لهم موعد لن يجدوا من دونه موئلا.
Your Lord is the all-forgiving dispenser of mercy. Were he to take them to task because of what they have committed, he would have surely hastened their punishment. But they have a tryst, when they will not find a refuge besides him.
وتلك القرى أهلكناهم لما ظلموا وجعلنا لمهلكهم موعدا.
Those are the towns that we destroyed when they were wrongdoers, and we appointed a tryst for their destruction.
وَإِذْ قَالَ مُوسَى لِفَتَاهُ لَا أَبْرَحُ حَتَّى أَبْلُغَ مَجْمَعَ الْبَحْرَيْنِ أَوْ أَمْضِيَ حُقُبًا.
When Moses said to his lad, I will go on journeying until I have reached the confluence of the two seas, or have spent a long time traveling.
فَلَمَّا بَلَغَا مَجْمَعَ بَيْنِهِمَا نَسِيَا حُوتَهُمَا فَاتَّخَذَ سَبِيلَهُ فِي الْبَحْرِ سَرَبًا.
So when they reached the confluence between them, they forgot their fish, which found its way into the sea, sneaking away.
فَلَمَّا جَاوَزَا قَالَ لِفَتَاهُ آتِنَا غَدَاءَنَا لَقَدْ لَقِينَا مِنْ سَفَرِنَا هَذَا نَصَبًا.
So when they had passed on, he said to his lad, Bring us our meal. We have certainly encountered much fatigue on this journey of ours.
قال أرأيت إذ أوينا إلى الصخرة فإني نسيت الحوت وما أنسانيه إلا الشيطان أن أذكره واتخذ سبيله في البحر عجبا.
He said, "Did you see? When we took shelter at the rock, indeed I forgot about the fish, and none but Shaitan made me forget to mention it, and it made its way into the sea in an amazing manner."
قال ذلك ما كنا نبغي فارتدا على آثارهما قصصا.
He said, "That is what we were after." So they returned, retracing their footsteps.
فوجدا عبدا من عبادنا آتيناه رحمة من عندنا وعلمناه من لدنا علما.
There, they found one of our servants whom we had granted a mercy from ourselves, and taught him a knowledge from our own.
قال له موسى هل أتبعك على أن تعلمني مما علمت رشدا.
Moses said to him, "May I follow you for the purpose that you teach me some of the probity you have been taught?"
قال إنك لن تستطيع معي صبرا.
He said, "Indeed you cannot have patience with me.
وكيف تصبر على ما لم تحط به خبرا.
And how can you have patience about something you do not comprehend?"
قال ستجدني إن شاء الله صابرا ولا أعصي لك أمرا.
He said, "You will find me, God willing, to be patient, and I will not disobey you in any matter."
قال فإن اتبعتني فلا تسألني عن شيء حتى أحدث لك منه ذكرا.
He said, "If you follow me, do not question me concerning anything until I myself first mention it for you."
فانطلقا حتى إذا ركبا في السفينة خرقها قال أخرقتها لتغرق أهلها لقد جئت شيئا إمرا.
So they went on, and when they boarded the boat, he made a hole in it. He said, "Did you make a hole in it to drown its people? You have certainly done a monstrous thing."
قال ألم أقل إنك لن تستطيع معي صبرا.
He said, "Did I not say that you cannot have patience with me?"
قال لا تؤاخذني بما نسيت ولا ترهقني من أمري عسرا.
He said, "Do not take me to task for my forgetting, and do not be hard upon me."
فانطلقا حتى إذا لقيا غلاما فقتله قال أقتلت نفسا زكية بغير نفس لقد جئت شيئا نكرا.
So they went on until they came upon a boy, whereat he slew him. He said, "Did you slay an innocent soul, without his having slain anyone? You have certainly done a dire thing."
قال ألم أقل لك إنك لن تستطيع معي صبرا.
He said, "Did I not tell you that you cannot have patience with me?"
قال إن سألتك عن شيء بعدها فلا تصاحبني قد بلغت من لدني عذرا.
He said, if I question you about anything after this, do not keep me in your company. You already have enough excuse on my part.
فانطلقا حتى إذا أتيا أهل قرية استطعما أهلها فأبوا أن يضيفوهما فوجدا فيها جدارا يريد أن ينقض فأقامه قال لو شئت لاتخذت عليه أجرا.
So they went on until they came to the people of a town. They asked its people for food, but they refused to extend them any hospitality. There, they found a wall which was about to collapse, so he erected it. He said, had you wished, you could have taken a wage for it.
قال هذا فراق بيني وبينك سأنبئك بتأويل ما لم تستطع عليه صبرا.
He said, this is where you and I shall part. I will inform you about the interpretation of that over which you could not maintain patience.
أما السفينة فكانت لمساكين يعملون في البحر فأردت أن أعيبها وكان وراءهم ملك يأخذ كل سفينة غصبا.
As for the boat, it belonged to some poor people who work on the sea. I wanted to make it defective, for behind them was a king seizing every ship usurpingly.
وأما الغلام فكان أبواه مؤمنين فخشينا أن يرهقهما طغيانا وكفرا.
As for the boy, his parents were faithful persons, and we feared he would overwhelm them with rebellion and unfaith.
فأردنا أن يبدلهما ربهما خيرا منه زكاة وأقرب رحما.
So we desire that their Lord should give them in exchange one better than him in respect of purity and closer in mercy.
وأما الجدار فكان لغلامين يتيمين في المدينة وكان تحته كنز لهما وكان أبوهما صالحا فأراد ربك أن يبلغا أشدهما ويستخرجا كنزهما رحمة من ربك وما فعلته عن أمري ذلك تأويل ما لم تسطع عليه صبرا.
As for the wall, it belonged to two boy orphans in the city. Under it there was a treasure belonging to them. Their father had been a righteous man. So your Lord desired that they should come of age and take out their treasure, as a mercy from your Lord. I did not do that out of my own accord. This is the interpretation of that over which you could not maintain patience.
ويسألونك عن ذي القرنين قل سأتلو عليكم منه ذكرا.
They question you concerning Zulkarnain. Say, I will relate to you an account of him.
إنا مكنا له في الأرض وآتيناه من كل شيء سببا.
Indeed we had granted him power in the land and given him the means to all things.
فأتبع سببا.
So he directed a means.
حتى إذا بلغ مغرب الشمس وجدها تغرب في عين حمئة ووجد عندها قوما قلنا يا ذا القرنين إما أن تعذب وإما أن تتخذ فيهم حسنا.
When he reached the place where the sun sets, he found it setting over a warm sea, and by it he found a people. We said, O Zulkarnain, you will either punish them, or treat them with kindness.
قال أما من ظلم فسوف نعذبه ثم يرد إلى ربه فيعذبه عذابا نكرا.
He said, As for him who is a wrongdoer, we will punish him. Then he shall be returned to his Lord, and he will punish him with a dire punishment.
وَأَمَّا مَنْ آمَنَ وَعَمِلَ صَالِحًا فَلَهُ جَزَاءً الْحُسْنَى وَسَنَقُولُ لَهُ مِنْ أَمْرِنَا يُسْرًا.
But as for him who has faith and acts righteously, he shall have the best reward, and we will assign him easy tasks under our command.
ثُمَّ أَتْبَعَ سَبَبًا.
Thereafter he directed another means.
حتى إذا بلغ مطلع الشمس وجدها تطلع على قوم لم نجعل لهم من دونها سترا.
When he reached the place where the sun rises, he found it rising on a people for whom we had not provided any shield against it.
كذلك وقد أحطنا بما لديه خبرا.
So it was, and we were fully aware of whatever means he possessed.
ثم أتبع سببا.
Thereafter he directed another means.
حتى إذا بلغ بين السدين وجد من دونهما قوما لا يكادون يفقهون قولا.
When he reached the place between the two barriers, he found between them a people who could hardly understand a word of his language.
قالوا يا ذا القرنين إن يأجوج ومأجوج مفسدون في الأرض فهل نجعل لك خرجا على أن تجعل بيننا وبينهم سدا.
They said, O Zulkarnain, indeed Gog and Magog are causing disaster in this land. Shall we pay you a tribute on condition that you build a barrier between them and us?
قال ما مكني فيه ربي خير فأعينوني بقوة أجعل بينكم وبينهم ردما.
He said, What my Lord has furnished me is better. Yet help me with some strength, and I will make a bulwark between you and them.
آتوني زبر الحديد حتى إذا ساوى بين الصدفين قال انفخوا حتى إذا جعله نارا قال آتوني أفرغ عليه قطرا.
Bring me pieces of iron. When he had leveled up between the flanks, he said, Blow. When he had turned it into fire, he said, Bring me molten copper to pour over it.
فما استطاعوا أن يظهروه وما استطاعوا له نقبا.
So they could neither scale it, nor could they make a hole in it.
قال هذا رحمة من ربي فإذا جاء وعد ربي جعله دكاء وكان وعد ربي حقا.
He said, "This is a mercy from my Lord. But when the promise of my Lord is fulfilled, he will level it, and my Lord's promise is true."
وتركنا بعضهم يومئذ يموج في بعض ونفخ في الصور فجمعناهم جمعا.
That day we shall let them surge over one another, the trumpet will be blown, and we shall gather them all.
وعرضنا جهنم يومئذ للكافرين عرضا.
And on that day we shall bring hell into view visibly for the faithless.
الذين كانت أعينهم في غطاء عن ذكري وكانوا لا يستطيعون سمعا.
Those whose eyes were blind to my remembrance and who could not hear.
أفحسب الذين كفروا أن يتخذوا عبادي من دوني أولياء إنا أعتدنا جهنم للكافرين نزلا.
Do the faithless suppose that they have taken my servants for guardians in my stead? Indeed, we have prepared hell for the hospitality of the faithless.
قل هل ننبئكم بالأخسرين أعمالا.
Say, shall we inform you who are the biggest losers in their works?
الذين ضل سعيهم في الحياة الدنيا وهم يحسبون أنهم يحسنون صنعا.
Those whose efforts are misguided in the life of the world, while they suppose they are doing good.
أولئك الذين كفروا بآيات ربهم ولقائه فحبطت أعمالهم فلا نقيم لهم يوم القيامة وزنا.
They are the ones who deny the signs of their Lord and encounter with him. So their works have failed. On the day of resurrection we will not give them any weight.
ذلك جزاؤهم جهنم بما كفروا واتخذوا آياتي ورسلي هزوا.
That is their requital, hell, because of their unfaith and for deriding my signs and apostles.
إن الذين آمنوا وعملوا الصالحات كانت لهم جنات الفردوس نزلا.
As for those who have faith and do righteous deeds, they shall have the gardens of Firdaus for abode.
خالدين فيها لا يبغون عنها حولا.
To remain in them, forever. They will not seek to leave it for another place.
قل لو كان البحر مدادا لكلمات ربي لنفد البحر قبل أن تنفد كلمات ربي ولو جئنا بمثله مددا.
Say, if the sea were ink for the words of my Lord, the sea would be spent before the words of my Lord are finished, though we replenish it with another like it.
قل إنما أنا بشر مثلكم يوحى إلي أنما إلهكم إله واحد فمن كان يرجو لقاء ربه فليعمل عملا صالحا ولا يشرك بعبادة ربه أحدا.
say, I am just a human being like you. It has been revealed to me that your God is the one God. So whoever expects to encounter his Lord, let him act righteously, and not associate anyone with the worship of his Lord.